what we're going to do is just put a little water on the top half, and it's going to go just like so. Okay, and then she has a blue that she's got out here, which I'm going to dust with the Midnight. Ready? God, that looks stunning.
Oh, sorry.
Sorry. It's a little thin. That's okay, just so you know.
I will roll it a little thicker.
And then we're going to put the blue one next to it. And this is our bottom border, is what this is. Okay, can you guys see that all right? And then we're just going to alternate green, blue, all the way around. Okay, the base is done. There we go.
Both are super green.
You see, we've made it all the way around now. Next milestone, we're going to put the collar on. They have a ruffled collar that goes on top of the purple. And then we'll put the masks on. That's the last part. I bet you're very happy.
There you go.
You know, and so what we'll end up doing, this is actually batting. It doesn't leave any little hairs. But we're probably going to use paper towels. So what I'll have my assistant do is make little tiny balls of crumpled up, little tiny pieces of crumpled paper towel for me. Okay, so what I have are two different circles. This is I don't know, I think it's a 4-inch and a 1-inch. You can use a Garrett frill cutter. Yeah, 4 and 1 1/4. But it really, what is that? Oh,
It's a little ball I'm crumpling.
yeah, it's not quite so tight. More or less, I think this is like what we want right here. So same amount, but something like that. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so if anyone needs help with crumpled, you have to have Mary come over to your house.
Sometimes she needs to spell things out for me, but
Okay, so what I want to do is roll this out, and it really, you know what, I forgot to put the Tylose in it. Has to have Tylose in it because it's going to be thin and it needs to dry firm, which is another reason why this cake really shouldn't go in the refrigerator.
Okay.
But we're going to leave the, you know what, I'm going to leave the puffs in. It's got to set up, it'll settle too much if I don't. We have to chill it. So we will put it in, but we'll leave the puffs, we'll put the puffs back in it. And we'll take the horns off.
Okay.
And the masks off. And then we'll just have to reassemble it.
Deal. Take a little break there, Joe.
this is what assistants do off camera.
That's one of the things. Aside of making faces at me.
You're just hanging out, taking a break.
So once I roll them out, I'll have you roll. When I'm working with it, I'll have you roll and cut the others. I'll need probably 3 of them, I think.
Okay.
It needs to be fairly thin.
Okay.
So you can see how thin that is.
Yeah.
Okay. Probably get 2 of them out of here. Can I get 2 of them out of here? I think I can.
Woo.
This out of the way. Do me 2 more. And then what I'm going to do is cut the center of this. Oop. Try and get it in the center as best I can. If you have a real Garrett frill cutter, I mean, you can use that. I just didn't. Oh, that wasn't very much in the center. Oh well. Yeah, it's just life. That's okay. I usually use a pizza cutter to cut this. Just cut through it like that. There. Okay. And then I'm going to take this and just roll, just like that, to thin the edge. See? And I'm just rolling. Roll, just to thin the edge. And you can use a toothpick to do that. You can use your finger to do it. Use your fingers if they're not sticky. Okay? Just to thin the edge, that's all I did.